Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Store not downloading apps or not opening problem. First method is click Start, Settings, System, click Storage. Remove temporary files. Second method is type WSreset, click WSreset. Third method is type services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Windows Update Service, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK. Open Microsoft Store Install Service, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK. Fourth method is type Store in Windows search bar, right-click Store, click App Settings. Repair and reset. Fifth method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Run commands one by one in description. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.